G'day folks, I thought I would just record a little video for you to assist your treasurers in your clubs with our quarterly financial reporting requirements. So you would have seen this email from Joe in recent times. It has a number of attachments. The first one of which is a blank template, which I'll show you in a moment. The other two are the results to December 31st rather, for Rugby League Ipswich, and a file we use to demonstrate our cash and debtors and creditors position in a brief way. So I might bring that over and just start with that one to show you what I mean. So basically it lists out our bank balances, monies owed to us, so $18,000 is owed to Rugby League Ipswich, and any unpaid bills we've got, which is $1,540, which would have to be paid out of our bank accounts, gives us this net inflow of money. So we could expect on a good day, when everything is paid, to have $183,000 cash at our disposal. So that's a quick little tool we use to monitor our a very basic cash position of the league. The other attachment was a profit and loss statement that has been prepared for the first 3 months of our financial year, which began on October 1st. Just demonstrates some of the inflows and outflows for us as a league at this stage, given there's not a lot of income in this first quarter of the year because there's not a lot of football played. We're running at a $22,000 loss or deficit, expenses over income at the moment, and that obviously corrects itself as we go through the course of the year. A lot of our income arrives at the end of the year through the final series. The third file that Joe sent you to have completed, and the reason I thought I'd do this video is because some of the treasurers and clubs and presidents and clubs might be new to this. It's basically completing that earlier template that I showed you for us to monitor the club's financial position at a very rudimentary basic level. How much money you have, how much money is owed to you, how much money is owed by you to your suppliers, therefore how much cash do you have at this point in time. And we do that on a quarterly basis, not to be intrusive or to how to tell you to run your business, but to, in actual fact, assist where we can. If it's showing a club in distress with a dollar in its account, owed $500, has $1,500 in bills to pay, it's obviously going to have a negative position here. And we have found through our experience is jumping on those situations earlier rather than later will help the club trade through those issues and get out the other side faster. And obviously that's what we're about, helping you guys survive through a football season. So hopefully that 2 or 3 minutes has assisted in completing this and assisting your treasurers in gathering this information. So just quickly, just once more, just what are the balances of your bank accounts? How much money is owed to you? How much money is owed by you to give that position? That's all formula driven, so it'll work itself out once you just plug in those 1 or 2 numbers that we're after. And they are the position as at 31st of December. Okay. If that doesn't help, or you still find yourself in a bit of a bind in completing that, give us a shout. Cheers.